nation. Took away our ways of life. The tomahawk and the bow and knife. Took away our native tongue and taught their English to our young. And all the beads we made by hand are nowadays made in Japan. Cherokee people, Cherokee tribe.